Have you ever had that urge to just smash something into pieces? Well, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to satisfy that destructive craving without actually breaking anything in real life. We will unleash some explosive visual effects using the powerful cell fracture tool combined with rigid body simulations. Whether you want to blow up a wall, shatter a sculpture, or simply have fun breaking stuff, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and easily. So, grab your digital sledgehammer, and let's get smashing, virtually, of course. If you don't have the cell fracture addon installed yet, don't worry, it's super easy to set up. This addon is built into Blender, but you'll need to enable it first. If you've recently updated Blender, you might be wondering where all your favorite add-ons went. It may look like they've disappeared, but don't worry, they're still there. Blender has reorganized many of its built-in add-ons, moving them from the traditional add-ons tab to a new section called Get Extensions. If you've recently updated Blender, you might be wondering where all your favorite add-ons went. It may look like they've disappeared, but don't worry, they're still there. Blender has reorganized many of its built-in add-ons, moving them from the Add-ons tab to a new section called Get Extensions. Go to Edit Preferences. Instead of heading straight to Add-ons, click on the Get Extensions tab, browse or search for the extension you need, like Cell Fracture. Once you find it, click Install. Let's begin with the tutorial. Right-click on the default cube in your scene and choose Delete to remove it. Next, go to the Add menu at the top left, then select Mesh Torus to add a torus to your scene. Now that we have our torus, it's time to make it break apart. Go to the Object menu at the top of the screen, click on Quick Effects and then choose Cell Fracture from the drop-down. In the Cell Fracture window that appears, look for the Source Limit option. The higher the number, the more pieces your object will fracture into. Then click OK. Blender will now fracture your torus into pieces, ready for destruction. On the right side of the screen, go to the Outliner panel where you can see all your objects, locate and select the original, unbroken torus object, right-click on this original torus and choose Delete to remove it from the scene. Click on any of the fractured pieces to select it, then, left-click on each of the other fractured pieces individually, holding the mouse button down as you drag over them. This will select all the pieces, with one piece remaining active, highlighted in a brighter color. Click on Rigid Body to activate the physics simulation for these objects. In the Rigid Body settings, under Collision Type, select Mesh. This ensures that each broken piece will react realistically when it interacts with other objects. With all the fractured pieces still selected, go to the Object menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, choose Rigid Body and then select Copy from Active. On the right side, find the Scene tab. It looks like a cone with a circle, dot. Scroll down to the Rigid Body World section. Under Substeps per frame, lower the value to 1, also, set solver iterations to 1. These adjustments will simplify the physics calculations, which can be useful for faster simulations, especially with a large number of fractured pieces. Scroll down to the gravity settings and uncheck the box to disable gravity. Now, hit play in the timeline, and enjoy watching your fractured pieces explode in all directions. And that's it. You've successfully created a destruction effect in Blender without having to break anything for real. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more exciting Blender tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new video. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, and if you want to support my work, check out the links in the description for 3D models and other resources you can use in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and happy blending!